Hey, it's Joseph, and if you're rocking a Sony FX3 like I am, and you keep the internal battery in and give it power over USB-C like I do, you might run into an issue when you hook up an external display, like the Shinobi II that I have on my camera here, because there are camera control features of the Shinobi II that require that a data cable be connected from the display down into the camera. And I found when I did a little research online, no one was really talking about like, what do you do if you're relying on that USB-C port on the camera for external power, but you want to use the Shinobi II and you need that for data as well. Some people will tell you just use the Shinobi II to power the camera, right? You've got power going to the display either from an L series battery or in my case, a D tap to L series adapter here. So the display's got power directly from this battery. So why not pass that power along to the camera? The Shinobi II can do that. Unfortunately, it only supplies 13 watts of power, and that's not quite enough for the power hungry FX3 if you want to be able to shoot indefinitely. There is another solution, however, and I don't see a lot of people talking about it, and it has to do with the port right under your USB-C port on your FX3. You have a micro USB port in addition to your USB-C port. Now, you can't deliver power the same way over the micro USB port, but you can deliver data. So my suggestion, get yourself a USB-C to micro USB cable. I'll put a link in the description below. It works great. It gives me camera control from the Shinobi II. It gives me the brand new touch autofocus that came with the latest firmware update. And I get my full, 27 watts of power through USB-C power delivery directly into the camera instead of bottlenecking myself at the 13 watts of power that come out of the Shinobi II display. So yeah, basically battery goes directly into the camera's USB-C port, Shinobi connects over USB-C to micro USB into the camera, and you get the best of both worlds. If you like this video, please subscribe, give it a like if you think it should be easier to find for other people. Again, link to this cable in the description below, and I'll see you in the next one.